flight goes on for Birdsong, the journey long. Sing me a sweet song, doesn't have to be long. A winged white horse, sometimes in my dreams, and it's a good place to be. So please explain. To bow down to the winged one, Acoustic Bird is one bar none. Keeper of the bird in flight, with mystical might. But I'm slightly confused, so please talk to me, or give me a sign up in the sky. So if you look up to the highway in the sky, just call and be nearby, 'cause when you're near it makes me feel safe to smile. Birdsong, 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 birdsong. Acoustic bird, you probably saved my life. Imaginary friend, you kept the dragons away, to remain unslain. Maybe a tear in my eye, but a man can cry. Greatest thing I've seen and heard was the acoustic bird. So if you look up to the highway in the sky, just call, just call, and be nearby, 'cause when you're near it makes me